Hello and welcome to your channel English with Hassan. This channel is for anyone who wants to learn English from the very beginning. Don't worry if you know nothing yet. We will start step by step, slowly and clearly. Together, we will learn simple words, useful sentences, and easy grammar. You will also practice listening, speaking, reading, and writing in a fun and friendly way. Learning English doesn't have to be difficult. With practice, patience, and the right lessons, you will see progress every day. So join me on this journey, and let's start learning English from scratch.
Let's practice English for today's lesson is going to give you the answers. Let's go to the first slide. So the question was, write the pronouns that come after the verb. For example, give me. So me is a pronoun that comes after the verb. So do you know all the pronouns that come after the verb? Let's see the answers in the next slide. So pronouns that come after the verb, we call them object pronouns because they come after the verb. So the first pronoun is me. Give me. Listen to me. Help me. The second pronoun is you. I help you. I understand you. The third pronoun is him. Tell him. I help him. The next pronoun is her. Help her. I help her. It. I know it. I understand it. I eat it. So these are for the singular form. Let's go to the plural form. Help us. They understand us. They listen to us. You in the plural form. I help you all. So it's plural. Help them. Listen to them. Give them. So these are the answers. Try to practice them and to remember them. So let's go to the second slide. Let's go to number 4. In number 4, they say, write the correct form of verb to be in present simple positive. Many students, if you say to them, what's verb to be, they don't know it. So you should know it. So let's see verb to be in the answers. Positive. So verb to be is and the short form apostrophe M, are the short form apostrophe RE, and is the short form apostrophe S. So if you write them in the short form, it's better. If you write them in the long form, no problem. But it's better to write them like this. I am, your, his, she's, it's, where, you're, there. So you should know this because it's very important in English. So this is level 1 and you should know them today. Let's go to the negative form. So the negative form, let's see the negative form. So the negative form is I am not, aren't, isn't. If you write, for example, the first one is I am not. You should write it like this. If you write I am not, the complete form or the long form, no problem, it's correct. But it's better to write it in the short form. The second one, you aren't. If you write you are not, it's correct, but this is better. You aren't. You aren't. So learn this that we have here. I am not, you aren't, he isn't, she isn't, it isn't, we aren't, you aren't, they aren't. So try to learn from the very beginning the short form because we use it most of the time in writing and in speaking. The long form, we use it just in writing. We don't use it in speaking. In speaking, you shouldn't say, you are not, you aren't, he isn't, he is not, she is not. No. So better to use the short form. So this is the negative form of verb to be in present simple. I am not, you aren't, he isn't, she isn't, it isn't, we aren't, you aren't, they aren't. Let's go to the question. How can we make verb to be in the question? So as you know, in the question, the verb to be should come first. So am I, are you, etc. Let's see the answers. So verb to be, am I, are you, is he, is she, is it, are we, are you, are they. So this is verb to be in question. Am I, are you, is he, is she, is it, are we, are you, are they. Can we have in the question I am? Never. Can we have in the question you are? Never. Can we have in the question he is? Never. She is? Never. It is? Never. We are? Never. You are? Never. They are? Never. Why? Because it's positive form. So in the question form, the verb must come first. So am, are, is first. Then the subject pronouns are, you, he, she, it, we, you, they second. I hope you understand this point. Let's continue. Number 7. So in number 7, we are going to practice verbs in the positive, negative, and question forms. Let's see if you know how to put them in these 3 forms. So write these sentences in the correct form in present simple positive. He wants to learn English. She go to the gym every day. Alison watch TV in the evening. Jackson miss his family very much. So can we say he want to learn English? No. What do we say?